Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Isheshpal Mathswala. In previous video we have discussed some questions regarding the radius of the excircles and the radius of incircle and circumcircle. Right? We In previous video we have considered some of the questions in which they are given some of the parameters like sides of the triangle or angles of the triangle and some sides, and he asked us to find these values: radius of incircle, radius of circumcircle, and radius of excircles. These are the parameters he had asked us to prove. And similarly, we have discussed some of the questions in which we need to prove the given result. Right? In similar way, in this video, we are going to discuss the similar way of question which is given that as prove that R, R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. It means area of the triangle whole square. This is what the result the question has given to us, and he is asking us to prove this result. Okay? Solution. When R, R1, R2, R3. This R, we have the basic formula, that is delta by S into R1. R1 we have a basic formula, that is delta by S minus A. Similarly, R2 and R3. R2 is nothing but delta by S minus B into R3 is nothing but delta by S minus C. Okay? It can be written as delta to the power 4 by S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay? Here we have formula, that is delta is equal to root S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus A, area of triangle in terms of sides. We have already proven this result if in the beginning of the chapter. If you want, you can check in the description box. Okay? We have this formula, and S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C can be written as delta to the power 4 by this term can be written as delta square, which is nothing but delta square. Okay? We have considered RHS, finally we got LHS, and finally we got RHS at delta square. Hence, proved. In this way, we can prove some of the results using the basic formulas. Not only this formula, if you apply any other formula also regarding R, R1, R2, R3, we are going to get the same result. Let's go for another method. Okay? In next method, I'm going to use some different formula. By using the different formula, we are going to get the same result. Let's see how. Small r. Small r is nothing but 4r sine A by 2 sine B by 2 into sine C by 2. Right? Into R1. R1 is nothing but we have already proved this result. Right? The whatever the formulas that I am writing for the problem solving, those all I have explained as a concepts with simple derivations. If you want to get a clarity over all these formulas and all these principles for solving such problems like this, you need to have command over all the concepts, right? Okay, R is nothing but 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. R1 is nothing but 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 into R2. R2 is nothing but 4R sin A by 2 uh, cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. And R3. R3 is nothing but into 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. Right? Now 4 4 4 4. 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 means 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 into R power 4. Sin A by 2, sin A by 2. Sin square A by 2. This R 4R 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 I have written as like this. 2 power 8 into R power 4. Right? Similarly, sin A by 2, sin A by 2. Sin square A by 2. Now, cos A by 2, cos A by 2. Cos square A by 2. Now, sin B by 2, sin B by 2. Sin square B by 2 into cos B by 2, cos B by 2. Cos square B by 2. Similarly, sin C by 2, sin C by 2, sin C by 2. Sin square C by 2. Cos C by 2, cos C by 2. It's nothing but cos square C by 2. So finally multiplying all this we have got finally this. Let's move on further. Okay. This now sin A. Sin A can be written as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. It means sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 is going to be sin A by 2. Right? Sin square A by 2 into cos square A by 2. It can simply we can write it as whole square. Right? Similarly, sin square B by 2 into cos square B by 2. We will remove the square and keep whole square. Right? Similarly, sin square C by 2, cos square C by 2. Taking square common, whole square. Right? Sin A by 2, cos A by 2 is nothing but sin A by 2. I am going to substitute this here. 2 power 8 into R power 4 into sin A by 2, cos A by 2, sin A by 2 whole square into sin B by 2 whole square into sin C by 2 whole square. Okay? Let's move on further. Two power 8. 2. Let me simplify it. 2 power 8 into R power 4 into sin square A into sin square B into sin square C by 2 power 6. 2 power 8, 2 power 6. 2 square. Finally is 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C. Final result I am going to write as like this. 2 square 2. R to power 4 R square. Sin square A, sin square B, sin B, sin square C, sin C. Every square is common, writing whole square. Right? This shows the direct formula for area of triangle, which is nothing but delta square. Right? This is how we can prove the same result. This is the second method. In second method, I have used a different formula. As per the formula that we have applied, we are going to solve the question by different procedures. Finally, the result is going to be same like this. Okay? This is how we can prove this result R1, R1, R2, R3 as delta square. Okay? That's it for this video. For more further problems, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.